How to find legal and policies on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find legal and policies on your Likee app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee. Once you are here, you're gonna find those three lines up there. Click on it and then click on setting at the bottom, and now all you need to do is scroll down and you're gonna find legal and policies. Wait for a second, and now this is your legal and policies. Privacy policy for young users, term of use, wherever you want, just click on it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.